So we're here at Sydney Build. So the team over at Leap Australia are using augmented reality to basically showcase how we can enhance an experience. So we've got the Lego Opera House here as an example, and we can use things like CFD information to overlay streamlines on the physical model. So users can go around, have a look at how that information interacts with the model. Additional information such as pressure distributions, internal structures, whether we're looking at how the model was designed internally, so things that cannot normally be seen. We also have IoT information, so coming full circle with that digital twin, taking live sensor information from machinery out in the real world, and then overlaying that into our physical model. We also have the ability to showcase assembly and disassembly sequences. So as you can see, we can basically show a user how to take apart this model. So they have limited to no experience with it, but we can easily demonstrate the right technique and the correct process to enable them to perform this correctly and the first time.
Engineering software is being used more and more in the building industry, whether it's for structural analysis or fluid dynamic analysis. We're seeing lots of customers using our simulation software to look at things like car parks, whether you're placing jet fans or looking at emissions and dead spots in the car parks. We're also seeing customers simulating the wind and looking at pedestrian comfort in and around buildings. Inside tunnels, using CFD to look at fire protection, CO2 tracking. If you've got a complex problem like aeroelastic flutter, that also can be simulated by coupling the structural simulation software with the fluid dynamic simulation software.